Oslo Config. It's an OpenStack library for parsing configuration options from the command line and configuration files. So if you want to know more about Oslo Config, you can go to this URL. Here you can read more about Oslo Config. I will show you a demo. So let me open Python shell. I will show a couple of operations. Let me import these modules from oslo.config. Import cfg. Then if you want to print all configuration options available in the Oslo config, you can use this statement. So what it's doing is cfg.CONF.iteritems. From this dictionary, it will take each key and value, then print it. Then it's assigned to this result. So if you do pprint of res, you can see the output. Right now there is no configuration options configured. So let me configure one. I will show you how to add a configuration option. So how to register. Here I am going to register this option, API server IP, with default value this one. You can also specify the help. So I am going to create this list. So this list has only one configuration option. You can add multiple options by you can use commas, and you can add multiple options here. So let me register that option. For that you can use this register_opts method. I registered that. Then let me check it again. So I'm going to see, you can see that configuration error. If you print cfg.conf, see, that's an object of config opts. So if you do iteritems as a generator object, so that's why I'm using this for loop. Or you can use something like keys. You will get all keys. Then you can use values. This way also you can check. So this way you can add multiple options. You can add options in a list, then you can use that list to register the options. Or if you want to register a single option, you can use this register opt instead of register opts. So let me run this one. So it returns false because that option is already registered, that's why. So I will show you how to unregister. If you want to unregister, you can use this unregister OPTS. So here what I am doing, I am creating a list of options which I want to unregister. Then I am passing that option list to the unregister OPTS function. If you want to unregister a single option, you can use this command unregister OPT instead of unregister OPTS. So let me unregister that one. It's unregistered. So if you print like this, it will be empty. So you can register it again using this command which failed earlier. Okay, now it's working. So here you can see it. There is one more option is there. You can override. Suppose here if you want to change the IP of API server, this option. If you want to change the option value of this API server IP option to some different IP, you can use this override, set override method. Let me copy it. So here I am going to specify the option, name of the option API underscore server underscore IP, then none. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let me check it again. See, is changed to none. So this way you can register and override and override a configuration option. Actually this config has a lot of other options. You can check it like DAR of CFG. You can see it has parser, multi-config parser is there. Then one INI parser is there. Find config files. So those are useful options available in this Oslo config. You can try that. So this way you can print all configurations, then register, unregister and override.